Yeah, hi, Padraig. I think that's how I pronounce your name. Okay, so basically I've done your Beosound 1 for you. What I've done here with this is I've given it a good strip down, and I've given it a really good clean as well for you because it was really gummy and cacked up. So I've done all that for you. I've cleaned the front up a bit for you and all the back here. Alright, sorry the light's not too good. I've cleaned all the back here, all around here, and what I have done, okay, is I have put a new, well, not new because you can't buy them new, but I've had to put in a new one of these, reconditioned one of these parts here. I'll send this one back to you anyway so you can take a look at it, but the bar seemed a bit bent on this, and you can never straighten these things out. You know, I've had loads of them with the same problem. It's where, you know, it gets pushed down and played with, and they just bend, and what happens is they start to rub. So I've got a CD in there. Okay, so I'm just going to push play on the CD, and let's see if we can run this up and play some music. There you go. So that's all working as it should be now, and you can go up the tracks, down the tracks. So I'll just go up. So CD2 there. So yeah, that's all done for you. So I hope you're happy with that, and yeah, I'm going to do your Sentry over the weekend for you as well. Okay, but it's lovely and clean now, and it's, you know, it's running really good. Without errors, and I've been in the office with it, playing with it. So yeah, so thank you very much, and I'll get your Sentry done as well for you. Thank you.